Can an LLC add members? Yes. An LLC can add new members after it has been formed, but the process depends on the operating agreement. Most operating agreements include rules about admitting new members, such as requiring approval from existing owners and deciding how ownership percentages will be adjusted. When a new member is added, the operating agreement should be updated to reflect their ownership interests, voting rights, and share of profits. You may also need to amend the Articles of Organization with the state if ownership details are listed there. Additionally, the IRS may require you to update your tax classification if your LLC changes from single member to multi-member. Adding members can be a great way to raise capital or bring in new expertise, but it's important to document everything properly to avoid disputes later. Zen Business can help update your LLC paperwork and operating agreement when you add new members. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.